Is the smart money on XRP? You know, the saying is put your money where the smart people do. Well, XRP and more importantly, Brad Garlinghouse giving a very interesting stance when it comes to the 125 million payment. Also, RLUSD and potentially some new breaking grounds for XRPL. We got it all in your daily XRP update. Don't forget, hit the like and subscribe button and let's get into it. So, as always, welcome back. We got this announcement here, or this letter from Ripple Labs versus the SEC, and this is all in relation to the $125 million payment that's due to go through in the next 2 or 3 days. Now, very interestingly, it was 30 days from that initial outcome that was put to the point where they would have to pay it. Now, what this is, in layman's terms or in a short form content, is the reality is Ripple are saying we will pay the $125 million. That is fine. We're absolutely okay to pay that value, but we will only pay it once the appeal date has passed, thus meaning that the SEC cannot appeal and get the money. Now, many of you may say, well, that's not fair. Why would they do that? But it's the SEC. That's the reality of it. They're suing Uniswap. They've sued Coinbase. They're suing Kraken again. They'll sue anyone right now. So this is a very smart move. And in my opinion, adds an absolute layer of protection to Ripple. And it does ultimately stand by that fact that they cannot do anything without the appeal passing. So basically, if you want this 125 million, Gary Gensler, you don't appeal. It's as simple as that. It's very smart. And I think what that does is secure what we all have been talking around now for the last couple of weeks, which is the SEC won't appeal. XRP then gets the shackles released, and if the market moves with us, get ready. I think we're in for a pretty big move, all in all. So this was a great update to get, and certainly legitimized through the courts. Very important. We then got Brad Garlinghouse giving his view on the RLUSD. He was talking at the Korean Blockchain Week in Seoul, and Brad Garlinghouse provided a significant update, ultimately saying that we are nearing the launch of the US dollar pegged stablecoin known as Ripple USD. Isn't it just timely that not only do we see the 125 million settlement with the SEC, no grounds for appeal, and the rumor mill that RLUSD is going to be coming very, very soon. So it is in private closed beta right now, and it's due to a public release in the expected next few weeks, not months. And I think this is very important to reference. It is also going to attack the stablecoin market, and I think this could be a pretty big deal. We all know that USDC, USDT ultimately run it, but there are some great stablecoins out there. I talk about DAI stablecoin pegged with the MakerDAO program. RLUSD, in my opinion, absolutely could be a big game changer, again backed by the XRP coin. And then finally, when we talk about XRP and we talk about XRPL, well, guess what? Ethereum smart contracts coming to XRPL. This is a big deal. It unlocks a huge amount of opportunity and programmability. I talked a little bit about it yesterday in my update video, but this unlocks everything that you get on Ethereum now on XRPL. And if we're talking financial institutions, we're talking network grade institutional companies, this is a big deal. Functionality, and don't forget, XRPL offers one thing that the Ethereum chain doesn't know, the ability to claw back transactions. Where would that be great? In the banking sector. That's the reality of it. We've seen many a time transactions go through. Only recently, Crypto.com actually suing a couple that they sent over $100 million to, and they spent it. I mean, wild. This would obviously give another layer of protection to the institutions, the banks, and anyone else that's going to transact financially on XRPL. So all very good news, and all, in my opinion, very timely, in line with the SEC appeal. So again, it's hard not to be bullish on XRP. And yes, I hear what everyone's saying, too big the price, it's not going anywhere. Why is it not pumping to oblivion? You know, the old saying, and I feel like I'm talking a lot of sayings recently, good things come to those who wait. Now, we've been waiting a significant length of time with XRP, and the reality here is that it's got to do something pretty soon. There'll be no reason for it. And if you're in a world of disbelieving that XRP and Ripple are in a world of they're just here to bleed the community and they're just here to basically take money out of it, well, let's see. That could be the case. I'm not advocating that it's not, but everything is aligned. Partnerships, businesses, financial districts and companies, many more, all aligned, as now we have the ability to do what Ripple is all about. I think the next few weeks into the back end of this year, as the bull market comes in, the market excitement grows, I think we could definitely start to see something with Ripple. And I do think we'll see more over the course of the next few weeks as well. So take a look at the price action, still within this price range, which I think is important. We talked about this a few times. Again, holding up on the 200 exponential moving average. We actually saw a nice little move on BTC, up about 1% on the day after that big crash yesterday, and still trading well within this channel as we move towards that Fed 18th of September rate cuts that we could get. We'll see how it plays out. I'd like to see XRP start to push back up, maybe retest 56, 57 cents. We need to get back above that 50-day simple moving average as well. But RSI divergence just could be about to tick green as we move into another day. So a lot of positive things in the market. XRP continues to move on. We continue to update you guys as well. And again, thank you so much for all the support recently. So do check out the links in the description if you A, want to go and trade your favorite cryptocurrencies, B, join the project I'm launching very, very soon, and C, well, subscribe to the channel. I definitely recommend doing that. We're bringing you the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency every single day, as well as doing a live stream. We're the only channel out there giving you the latest. But until next time, thank you so much for all the support. Thank you so much, everybody. Let me know in the comments down below what your view is on XRP, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.